Birdie's App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get golfing apps wrong by assuming they're just for score tracking. Birdies in 2025 combines social features, scorecards and stats to enhance the golfing experience. But is it really worth it? Birdies offers live scoring, leaderboards, and game analytics. The surprising truth is how social it is. You won't believe what happens next when competing with friends virtually improves your game and keeps you motivated. Another advantage is detailed performance tracking. Most people get this wrong by ignoring how data can identify strengths and weaknesses in your swing, putting, or course strategy. However, some features require a paid subscription. Free users can track basic stats but may miss premium analytics and challenges. GP's accuracy can also vary depending on the course. In conclusion, Birdies is great for golfers who want more insight and friendly competition. Casual players can use the free version, but serious golfers benefit most from the subscription in 2025.